Hi, I'm Nikki Poussin with Agent Social Connect, and I'm here with some more tips for you on social media. 3 reasons consistency is your number one social media superpower. For agents that stay visible, build faster, generate more referrals, and stay top of mind for their clients when they're ready to buy or sell. Tip number 1, show up every day, even on slow days. The algorithm rewards consistency, and so do your followers. Agents who post daily are seen as active, engaged, and trustworthy. Number 2, batch your content in advance. Set aside a few hours once a week to plan and schedule your posts. This removes the daily stress and keeps your feed active even when your life gets busy. It's also a great time to batch during a holiday as we're coming up on the 4th of July weekend. I'm getting ready to do all my videos today and tomorrow so that they're ready to go. I can schedule them at a time and I don't have to worry about them and I can enjoy my holiday. Tip number 3, use your content calendar. Map out your month so you always know what's coming next. A simple spreadsheet or a tool like Agent Social Connect keeps you on track without the guesswork. Social media doesn't have to be that hard. Follow along and I'll keep the tips coming. And if you're looking for an easy way to do social media or you want it done completely for you, agentsocialconnect.com was built for agents just like you.